In this video, I will show you how to recover your Phantom wallet with your seed phrase. So to do this, first just go and open up Phantom wallet, and then you probably won't have your account yet since you want to recover it. But if you are already signed in, just click in the top left and then here click add or connect wallet. And this is also what you will see when you first use Phantom wallet. Now from here, you just want to click import secret recovery phrase. And from here, simply go and paste in your secret recovery phrase and click import at the bottom. And once you click import, it will then go and import it onto your wallet if it actually exists, and you will then have it as one of your accounts. So that is how you can recover your Phantom wallet using your seed phrase. Now if you're wondering where you can find your seed phrase, in the top left click account, then here click on edit, and then here click show secret recovery phrase, and then click I want to share and click continue, and then you'll see it right there. So now you know how to recover your Phantom wallet using your seed phrase. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.